Hi, my name is Ting Xiang, and I'm currently a student studying at National University of Singapore at the science faculty. And also being introverted by nature, my greatest fear is doing public speaking, standing in front of mass audiences, doing speeches. Currently, schools don't teach you, they don't have a lot of activities to help you engage the audience. So recently I came across this Facebook advertisement, which is this Speakers Are Leaders event. So I happened to sign up and went for a few sessions organized by Harry and Lily. And to tell the truth, I learned a lot from them, which schools don't really teach us. And I learned these very secret tips and strategies that helps you to sell yourself in front of the public. And once again, my name is Ting Sai. I urge you to go for this Speakers Are Leaders event. Thank you.